Ready? Start. This is an application under Order 47, Rule 1 of CPC for review of the judgment passed by a division bench of this court, comprising of myself and my learned brother bracket as he then was bracket close full stop. This petition came up for hearing originally before a division bench which admitted it on 10/9/97 and issued notice to the respondent full stop on 7/6/99. It was noticed that as the judgment under challenge was passed by a division bench of which one of the members has since retired full stop, under Order 47, Rule 5 of CPC, in such an eventuality the review petition can be heard by remaining member of the previous division bench alone and not by any other division bench full stop. Consequently, the matter was placed before the Honorable Chief Justice, who directed that the review application be heard and disposed of by me full stop. I have heard learned counsel for the petitioner and learned counsel on behalf of the respondent and perused the record with their assistance full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner has contended that this court disposed of the constitutional petition on the ground that the questions of fact were involved in the case and that the petitioner should file a civil suit full stop. It was however not noticed that the second inquiry report was duly approved by the Board of Capital Development Authority and it bears the signatures of its acting chairman full stop. Learned counsel for the respondent has however stated that it was earlier report submitted to this court which presented the true picture and the subsequent report was of no legal effect full stop. In our judgment dated 23/6/97, we observed that the question as to whether the record has been forged or not is essentially one of fact which cannot be determined without recording any evidence full stop. It must admit that at that time it was not brought to our notice that second inquiry was conducted by the additional director security who placed the matter before the officiating chairman who duly approved the report which was also signed by member administration full stop. That being so, in terms of section 4 of the Capital Development Authority ordinance, that report was to be taken as the report of Capital Development Authority full stop, as this aspect of the matter was not considered by us when we disposed of the intra-court appeal. I am inclined to grant this application for review and reaching of the appeal on its merits, full stop. In view of the above, comma, this application is allowed and judgment is recalled with the result that the intra-court appeal shall now be listed for hearing before a DB, full stop.